Let us begin with the help section where you get to know how to use this period tracker. You can track your periods pretty easily. Just enter tracking number, last date, this date of period, remarks and duration will be calculated automatically. You can also see median days of your periods. That means what are the most frequent days for your periods. You can always filter all your data as needed, like see all your January entries, or specific year entries. Get this period tracker and other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.